Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix can't connect to Xbox Live on Xbox console. Method 1. Sign out and sign in back. First, we need close the game by press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to the game you want close. Next, press menu button on the controller, then select quit. Now, just go to profile and system, then select sign out. Restart the Xbox console and sign in again. Try check if the problem is fixed. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC address. Select Clear. Restart your console, then check if the issue persists. Method 3. Change your DNS. On the home screen, select Settings. Select General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. I will type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, press the menu button on your controller to save, then see if the problem is fixed. Method 4. Power cycle Xbox console and router. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller and select Turn console off. After your Xbox turns off completely, unplug the power cable from the power source, and disconnect any peripheral attached to your console, such as a controller, headset, hard drive, etc. Please do the same with your router. Wait for about 5 minutes before connecting it again to power and restart the console. Method 5. Clear local Xbox 360 storage. For Xbox Series X users, we need go to Settings. Go to System. Go to Storage Devices. Select Clear local Xbox 360 storage. This will delete all of the Xbox 360 saved games and profiles on the console. Once done, try launch the game. Then re-download profile, then check the problem is fixed. For Xbox 360 console users, go to Settings and select System. Select Storage. Note, if you don't connect any external storage devices to your console, select Hard Drive. If you do use external storage, select All Devices. Select Profiles. Select the Xbox profile that you want to delete. Select Delete. Select one of the following. Delete profile only. This deletes the Xbox profile but leaves saved games and achievements. Delete profile and items. This deletes the profile and the associated saved games and achievements. Method 6. Check server status. Just press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to Xbox support. Select Xbox status. If you see any services with alerts, expand the service, scroll down to notifications, and sign in to receive a message when the service is up and running again. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.